Hello everyone. In previous lecture, we seen various diseases with their symptoms. Today we will move on our next topic, that is very important topic of this chapter, that is immunity. What is immunity? So you all are aware about the pathogens which cause various disease. When our body contact with any pathogen and pathogen enter in our body, at that time our body produce a antibody, or we can say immunity, and protect from that pathogen to our body. कि हमारी बॉडी के अंदर जो भी एंटीबॉडी मॉलिक्यूल होते हैं, वन टाइप ऑफ प्रोटीन, वो हमको एंटीजन से, मीन्स के जो फॉरेन एंटीजन है, फॉरेन पैथोजन है, उससे हमको प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं. So every day we are exposed to the large number of infectious agent. However, only a few of this exposure result in a disease. कि बहुत सारे पैथोजेंस के कांटेक्ट में हम आते हैं एवरी डे, बट उसमें से बहुत फ्यू होते हैं, बहुत कम होते हैं जो हमको डिजीज कॉज करते हैं. So for that one system is there, that is called immunity system. This is due to the fact that the body is able to defend itself from most of these foreign agents. कि हमारी बॉडी मोस्टली जो फॉरेन एजेंट्स है उससे प्रोटेक्ट होती है. दिस ओवरऑल एबिलिटी ऑफ होस्ट टू फाइट द डिजीज कॉजिंग ऑर्गेनिज्म, दैट इज कॉल्ड इम्यून सिस्टम, विच प्रोवाइड अस टू इम्यूनिटी. सो इम्यूनिटी मीन्स व्हाट? कि एबिलिटी ऑफ द होस्ट to fight the disease causing organism. Definition क्या है? Ability to host from disease causing organism. Ability to host from disease causing organisms conferred by the immune system, and that is called immunity. So immunity के बारे में समझ में आया आपको, right? What is immunity? And immunity has two types mostly. One is innate immunity. There is two type of immunity are there. One is innate immunity and second is acquired immunity. Innate immunity and acquired immunity. What is difference between innate immunity and acquired immunity? Innate immunity, that is non-specific response. Means it come from our parents. Means के inheritance में ये immunity provide होती है, that is called innate immunity, which have various barrier from providing immunity. And what is acquired immunity? Acquired immunity, that is pathogen specific immunity. Pathogen specific immunity. कि पर्टिकुलर पैथोजन के अगेंस्ट ये इम्यूनिटी प्रोवाइड होती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एक्वायर्ड इम्यूनिटी. दैट वी विल स्टडी लेटर, बट टुडे वी विल सी द इनेट इम्यूनिटी एंड द बैरियर ऑफ इनेट इम्यूनिटी. Innate immunity is non-specific type of defense that is present at the time of birth. That is present at time of birth, right? कि जब हमारा बर्थ होता है तब ऑटोमेटिक हमको ये इनेट इम्यूनिटी हमारे पेरेंट्स में से मिलती है. This is accomplished by providing different types of barrier to the entry of foreign agents into our body. Various type of barrier are there for providing innate immunity. That we will see. There are 4 types of barrier available in innate immunity. That have to we will see in flow chart. Innate immunity that have 4 barriers. First is physical barrier. Second is physiological barrier. Third is cellular barrier. And fourth one is cytokine barrier. Right? This is the 4 barrier of innate immunity. What is physical barrier? Physical barrier, the main physical barrier that is skin. मीन्स कि आपको पता होगा कि हमारी स्किन जो है वो फॉरेन एंटीजन को हमारी बॉडी में एंटर नहीं होने देती है. दैट इज व्हाई स्किन दैट इज मेन फिजिकल बैरियर. एंड अदर बैरियर, द लाइनिंग ऑफ mucous coating of the epithelial lining of respiratory lining of respiratory tract, respiratory, gastrointestinal tract and intestinal tract and urogenital tract. Urogenital tract that also possesses a barrier, also work as a barrier. Here you have given skin on our body is the main barrier which prevent entry of pathogenic organism, and mucous coating of epithelial lining of respiratory tract, gastrointestinal tract and urogenital tract, that is also help in trapping microbes from entering to our body, right? Then next, physical barrier, physiological barrier, saliva in mouth, we can say. Then acids of stomach, right? And tears from eyes. This is the physiological barrier which provide immunity and which prevent the microbial growth. Then cellular immunity. In cellular immunity there are different type of cells which prevent the entry of microorganism in our body. That is, for example, polymorphonuclear leukocytes, then monocytes, then lymphocytes of blood cell, then natural killer cells, then macrophage of tissue which engulf the pathogenic agent and protect our body from microorganism, right? Then last is cytokine barrier. virus cell secretes a protein that is called interferon. Virus cell secrete interferon which protect from non-infectious वायरस सेल कि जो सेल्स को वायरस का इन्फेक्शन नहीं लगा है उस सेल को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं कौन इंटरफेरॉन विच आर सिक्रेटेड फ्रॉम वायरस इन्फेक्टेड सेल. सो साइटोकाइनिन बैरियर्स दैट इज वायरस इन्फेक्टेड सेल सिक्रेट्स अ प्रोटीन दैट इज कॉल्ड इंटरफेरॉन विच प्रोटेक्ट नॉन इन्फेक्टेड सेल फ्रॉम फर्दर वायरल इन्फेक्शन कि फिर से वायरल इन्फेक्शन ना हो उससे हमको प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं. So this is the innate immunity which is non-specific and which are present at the time of our birth. Next that is the acquired immunity that is depend on memory cell. Okay, that is depend on memory cell that have two types of response, primary response and secondary response that we will see. This is very important topic according to health, so you have to remember also in that manner that how to prevent entry of pathogens. So second is acquired immunity. Second is acquired immunity that is pathogen specific immunity or we can say depend on memory cell that give two types of response. First is primary response. Primary response and secondary response. When our body contact with any pathogenic agent, at that time our body gives to us primary response and that intensity is very low. And when our body again contact with that previous pathogenic agent, at that time our body gives us to secondary response and this response intensity of this response that is very high. When our body encounters a pathogen for first time, our body contact with pathogens first time. बराबर? First time and produce a response that is called primary response. The intensity of this response very low. Intensity is low, right? And when pathogens contact with our body second time, right? Our body contact with pathogens response, that is called secondary response, and intensity of this response is very high. So here you can write, and intensity is high. Okay, so this is the acquired immunity. An acquired immunity or primary and secondary response give and carried out by two cells, B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. So primary and secondary response carried out by different cells, and that cell we have to see in chart form, that is B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. Okay, B lymphocyte, which is cell of bone marrow. Okay, for example bone marrow means what, कि for example ये हमारा bone है, right, और यहाँ जो भी liquid है that is called bone marrow, and this T lymphocyte which is come from thymus gland, that is called lymphoid organ. Both are work as a lymphoid organ. Okay, so B cell prepare antibody against pathogens, and T cell have to B cells for preparing एंटीबॉडी. क्लियर, इतना ही आपको यहाँ याद रखना है. डिटेल में ये सेल्स हम जब लिम्फोइड ऑर्गन का एक्सप्लेनेशन आएगा इसी चैप्टर में तब हम देखेंगे. So these lymphocytes produce an army of protein in response to pathogens into our blood to fight with them. Means what? First of all, B cells, from which portion B cell come? From bone marrow. बोन मेरो में से बी लिम्फोसाइट्स आएंगे और आर्मी जो है वो आर्मी वन टाइप ऑफ प्रोटीन, आर्मी ऑफ प्रोटीन इसके ये जो एंटीबॉडी है वो वर्क एज आर्मी प्रोटीन. इसके वन टाइप ऑफ प्रोटीन है, ये क्या है? वन टाइप ऑफ प्रोटीन, बट आर्मी वाला प्रोटीन है. जैसे आर्मी हमको प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं, सेम है हमारी बॉडी में एज ए आर्मी प्रोटीन क्या होता है? बी लिम्फोसाइट which provide us to response against pathogens and prepare an antibody which give us to immunity. These protein are called antibody, and डिटेल में हम एंटीबॉडी नेक्स्ट सेशन में विच स्ट्रक्चर देखेंगे. The T cell themselves do not secrete antibody. Do not secrete antibody means कि वो एंटीबॉडी प्रोड्यूस नहीं करते, बट help B cell to produce them, help to B cell for preparing antibody, right? So each antibody molecule जो है उसको हम प्रोटीन मॉलिक्यूल कहेंगे. मीन्स के आपको दो डिफरेंस पढ़ने हैं. एंटीजन मीन्स के उसको हम बोलेंगे फॉरेन एजेंट्स जो आउट ऑफ बॉडी का है, एंड एंटीबॉडी विच इज प्रोवाइड इन बॉडी, which is provide and prepare in body, which give us to immunity or immune response against to pathogenic organism. So ये हो गई immunity. in short, अभी immunity दूसरे टाइप की भी immunity है, cell mediated immunity, then humoral immune response, then active immunity, passive immunity. difference between active immunity and passive immunity. There are many types of immunity are there. So today we complete this session with immunity and two types of immunity, innate immunity and acquired immunity. In next session we will see the structure of antibody and how two types of response, that is humoral response and cell mediated immune response, is in our body. Okay, till then, thank you.